Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making the ultimatum from regular show since it's 4th of July. This recipe includes small potato rolls, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, lettuce, mushrooms, garlic powder, breadcrumbs, ground beef, cheddar cheese, spicy ketchup, 1 tomato, 1 egg, 1 onion, paprika, salt, and onion powder. Preheat your air fryer toaster oven to 375 degrees. To start making the ultimatum, let's start by putting the ground beef in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. After you have tossed all the seasonings into the bowl of the ground beef, give it a good mix to blend everything together. Let's start by making our first slider. Butter your skillet, turn the stove to high heat, and cook the burger for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you flip the burger, wait a bit and add cheese and cover it with a lid so it melts faster. Now it's time for the baking section. Take a bowl, break an egg, and beat it with a fork. Now let's take a baking sheet and cover it with parchment paper and take the ground beef and cover it with our cooked slider. Let's grab our big meat patty and give it a nice egg wash coating. After that, take a bowl, pour the breadcrumbs and cover the meat patty with breadcrumbs and place it on the baking sheet. Once the meat patty is covered in breadcrumbs, this bad boy goes into the air fryer toaster oven for 20 to 25 minutes. While we wait, we might as well cook our second slider. We are pretty much repeating the process like we did for the first slider. Just to let you know, this is supposed to be considered the best burger in the world. You better enjoy it because 1, it's such a big meal that it's almost impossible to finish, and 2, these are very rare burgers, meaning these burgers only appear once every 100 years. So enjoy them while they last because who knows where we are going to be in 100 years from now. I've been waiting for years to try this burger. Regular show was in my childhood that I always wanted to try the recipes from the show. I remember there was an episode back in the 2010s when the Blue Jay and the Raccoon, Mordecai and Rigby, wanted to try the ultimatum they saw in the commercials one time on TV. And it looks so good. Once our second and third sliders have finished roasting in the pan, it's time to cut our vegetables and coat our cast iron skillet with butter and cook the mushrooms. Make sure to always wash your vegetables. Sprinkle a touch of salt, garlic, and onion powder over the mushrooms and stir until cooked. Now that we are technically done, let's prepare our ultimatum. Let's get our second slider and start by using lettuce, onion, tomato, ketchup, and mushrooms. Burgers just aren't the same without mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, there's something wrong with you. You're tripping. Our second layer is going to be the big beef patty that has returned from the oven. And our third layer is going to be the third slider. But there's a problem. Okay. So you see, look.
That's good for YouTube, I guess.
You really think?
Of course, because it's different. I mean, everybody's gonna look at it like, what the heck?
I don't even know how I'm supposed to eat this.
Well, talk about it.
Okay.
It's all about the YouTube. I mean, you don't have to eat it like that.
This is very unique, you know. I can't even keep a straight face right now. I just can't.
Ah, Lord. Well, this is what you wanted to make. You saw the video.
Okay, we need a second stick. Let's see if that works.
Oh, Lord.
If not, I'll be like, what the heck?
That work?
I guess that works.
Slowly moving.
Okay,
Uh-oh. Cremas here.
Oh, well, this is supposed to be an ultimatum.
What now?
Exactly.
This is an ultimatum. It's the best burger in the world. And it only exists once every 100 years.
Oh, God.
So...
It's just too big. It's gonna keep...
There
There it is. You can take a picture. You gotta take it now.
Put your mouth in there.
Video too.
I don't know if it's gonna hold. Oh, there it is. That thing is huge.
Alright, it's time for the moment of truth. I don't even know how I'm going to eat this, but we'll see. Okay, here goes nothing. This is so good, but I gotta be honest, this is a lot of meat. You know, this is good for 4th of July. And whoever doesn't eat this is a chump. And did you guys know that if you were to get this burger in Idaho style, you can put potato chips in this? Anyways, thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and happy 4th of July.